This is the new Access 125 BS6 model. Now it is in the market also. It's an inbuilt of Bluetooth vehicle. In the front fascia is an LED headlamp and chrome garnish with chrome garnish. These in this two variants are there. One is in disc and one is in drum. The yellow wheel is in size is in 12 inches. You can use this for functioning of the self. Yeah, use this function for the self. Right side. And coming to that front part, you can see this that BS6 in this new model, the variation is in headlamps. This two are in different signals, LED signals. And coming to that right part of this, the self switch is on top of the meter cover, and use this button to start the vehicle. This is the self button. You need to use this button to start the vehicle. Once you start the vehicle, ignition on mode. This is in complete digitalized and with Bluetooth connectivity display. You need to connect this. This is an odometer reading. You need to select modules, battery voltage, odometer reading, trip reading, trip B reading, and this one is in Bluetooth connectivity. After connecting, you need to use to be on. This is in engine temperature, and this one is in fuel indication, and this is in time display. This is in speedometer reading. If it is in internet is connected, then eye is in blinking mode. This is an echo mode, and all these, this is an Access chrome finishing emblem with Access 125 emblem. Rear fuel tank as per the BS6 norms. Fuel lid is in fitted, and the tank capacity is in 5 liter. Tank capacity is in 5 liter. This is an exhauster, complete exhaust as per the norms of BS6. It is manufacturing. This is an ACP technology. This is in Suzuki Eco Performance Technology engine. In this variant, combi brake system is there. Once you apply for the front brake, rear brake also same applied. Coming to the luggage box, the boot space of that box compared to other models, it is high. It is very flexible to carry the things. Socket 2.1 volt with the USB inbuilt. USB inbuilt. Your mobile is connected with this console. Your vehicle, your kilometer reading will come. You'll see in your mobile also. An app is there, that is in Suzuki Ride Connect. Suzuki Ride Connect. In this, kilometer reading is also shown, and one more thing, the GPS is also on in your mobile. Your mobile is connected to the display, and if you want to go for South India shopping mall from here to there, if you are connecting this one, then automatically synchronize with your console, speedometer console. To go to for that South India shopping mall, you need to click on South India shopping mall on your mobile GPS. That is automatically connected to the display. That automatically shows that kilometer and how much time to reach that destination. 30 minutes estimation time, and kilometers, how many kilometers from here to there. That automatically shown, and your battery, what is the level of your battery in your phone, it's shown, and signal strength and Bluetooth connected or not. And this one is in vehicle heat condition, and this one is in fuel level. It automatically shown, and your vehicle is in automatically tracked from if you are Ride Connect app. You need to click on Ride Connect app. In this, just click on this your Ride Connect app. So app is running. Now you need to synchronize with your display. So pairing with your SOS S10. You can check your here. You need to connect. Now it is connected. So if it is connected, then your odometer reading and your app application in is automatically shown your fuel level and kilometer reading and how many rides you are taken, and trip reading and trip A reading and trip B reading also it was showing, and that GPS is also connected in your mobile. If you want to go to for your South India shopping mall from your Suzuki showroom, you can click on South India shopping mall, then automatically show. This navigation system is connected. Now it is automatically shown even in your display. Okay. In this app we have another options also. That was I am showing here. So you can go with the settings. If you are getting that incoming calls when you are traveling from here to there, then that number will display on your mobile also. Once you can check with our, now I am getting that call from some other call, so that number is in display in your console, speedometer console. It was shown. If you want to disconnect this call, you can connect through mobile also, and one more option is there in this app. So auto reply SMS, you can click on this. If you are traveling, I call you later, I am busy, I am riding, custom message. You can create your own message also. If you are selecting this one second, you can call, it's automatically cut, and another mobile you can get that message also. Now I am getting that call, auto reply SMS. If you are traveling, you can select on this option and automatically getting that SMS from other person after disconnecting this call. And one more option, WhatsApp calls. WhatsApp calls means if you are getting any WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp calls, that automatically shown in your display also. And what are that message is, it was not shown, that message from the sender means if you are getting the message from some other person, that person name is feeded with your mobile, that name will be displayed on your console. And same incoming calls also shown, and message alerts also it was shown in your display console. That unread SMSs are shown here. All these options are in settings. In this, one more option is there, speed warning. Speed warning means if you are decreasing, if your speed means if you are riding for the 60 km speed per hour, you can set whether 60. If you are crossing for the 60, then you can get the warning message in your display also automatically. If you are decreasing 30, 40 also, it will automatically it was shown. And this one is also stored in your mobile, how many times you are crossed your speed limit, and how many kilometers you are driven, at what time and at what speed you are driven from the ride from here to there. That everything will be stored on your mobile, and that was shown in your system also. And you can park with the last parking location. If you are parked this vehicle from some other location, this everything will be tracked in your mobile vehicle. If you are parked somewhere else, some other location, that automatically shown your vehicle where it is now. It's shown in your maps also. It clearly shown in your maps. Vehicle is in so and so position, so and so place. That last parked location where it is in vehicle. That GPS has been connected on this mobile. And profile, you can create with your profile also. You can select your name, you can put your photo and color, whatever that vehicle model, if it is dumb mud risk, how many ride counts, how many odometer reading, how many times, everything will be shown in your trips. And in this also, the how many trips you are taken, recent trips. If you are in favorite, you can put it in favorite also. If you want to delete that trip also, you can delete in that trip also. If you need any help, you can contact. Toll-free number also. You can directly, if emergency is there, you can contact to toll-free number also, or through mail, you can contact with the Suzuki. All these features are inbuilt with the new Access 125 in the market. Yeah, all these features are inbuilt with the Access 125. Now it is available in our showroom Giant Suzuki, Y Junction, D Mart.